Hey, what up guys? So I'm on here to do a tutorial on how to create these rosettes. So stay tuned. I have my scoreboard out. I took out 12 by 12 paper and I just cut. This one is 1 inch, as you can see there. And this one is 1.5 inches. 1.5 inch strip. This is what I'm going to be creating. And then with this 12 inch by 1 inch strip, I'm going to be making this one. So let's start scoring. And I can't find my bone folder. It was here somewhere, but anyway, I prefer to use this one. This is like a nail tool, and they have 2 different sizes, as you can see. Okay, never mind my nails. You guys are not here for that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to score every 1/4 of an inch. I think that's what it is. So right here, right there. Now, I like to score twice. The best way to go fast, I learned from Craft Purge, is to just always look at the 1/4 line and just keep going. I'm going to speed through this a little bit. Oh, that hurts my hands. Like my fingers, they cramp up a little bit. So now you have your strip of 12 by paper, 12 inch strip. This is a 1 inch. Oh my God, you guys. Okay. And then you're going to accordion fold that. All you have to do is, oh my God, my nails are horrible. I don't know, but I like to put the pattern side this way and the white side facing up. And then you're just going to accordion fold, okay? So fold, fold, and then you're just going to keep going. I go pretty fast because I want to get this over with because this tends to hurt. This tends to hurt my, I don't know, I cramp up on my fingers. Okay, so now that you have, oops. So now you have it like this. What I like to do is hold it in place, but it's a little difficult sometimes. Okay, now that you have it all squished, you're gonna take any punch. Okay, this is what you have. Your little mountain valley, whatever it's called. And then you see these 2 sides? You're gonna match them up like this. You see? Just like that. And you're just gonna add whatever adhesive you like. I prefer to use hot glue, even though people might disagree. But it's fast, easy. I just need to get a hot glue gun that has a finer tip. And that's it. I just like to crease it once I'm done. This is what you're left with. Now what I like to do is you're going to take your paper. Actually, I'm going to use this one. And your little cutout. And you're going to add a little bit of hot glue in the center. Let me zoom in for you guys a little bit. This is the difficult part for me. Oh my God, my nails. I put it on top like this. And then I'm going to squish down. And I'm going to try my best to get it centered where that hot glue is, because it's kind of where it's supposed to be. And since it's a little bit adhered on, I like to turn it around. If I have to move it, that's fine. It's the back, so no one's gonna see the back. And then what I like to do is add a little bit more glue. Pinch it inward, and then take your little cutout and hold it in place. So that's how you create one rosette. And now I'm going to show you how to create this rosette. This is actually the first time I've done like a border, I guess, with this punch. As you can see, I scored a little too roughly, but that's okay. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to turn this over because I have a hard time getting this lined up. Okay, and there you have it. And I'm going to continue. You see how it's like messing up there? So what I like sometimes, what I like to do is I like to, because it has, I don't know, let's see. Ah, messed it up. I think I'm just going to roll with it for now, because I don't want to cut another paper. Okay, this is not working. Okay, I'm messing it up. Let me get a new paper. Okay, it's not perfect, you guys, but we're going to work with it because this video is getting a little too long. Then you're going to score it same way. Okay, so I have scored. Whew, that was like painful. So it's not perfect, but that's fine. And I'm going to accordion fold again. And I probably am going to fast forward through this. Ooh, that hurts. So like I said, this is my first time using this punch and decorating like the edges. So they aren't perfect, but that's okay. We're gonna work with it. Then we're going to hot glue it again like that. And I want to find a glue gun, you guys, that is this size, but very fine tip. And that is temperature control. So I can do hot, like high or low. Okay. So you got that. Then I should get my round circle punch. Okay, and I'm just going to take a scrap and just punch out a couple for now. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the same thing. Try to get in the center as best as I can. Don't judge my glue gun, you guys. And to try not to get the strings, I find it best to like swirl, swirl, swirl. And you won't get so much strings. Well, I didn't get any this time around. Okay, that's not that centered, but that's fine. I'm going to try my best. This is the part you need extra hands for. Sometimes if my kids are around, I'd be like, come here. I need you for a second. And then try to hold it in place for like 5 seconds. And then what I like to do, I like to turn it around. Okay, that's fine. And you see how it's rising? That's okay. We're just going to add a little bit more glue. And then, should I do this one? I feel like that one's too big. Just to hold it in place. There we have it. Okay, so I decided real quick to share with you. If you guys do not have a scoreboard, which I highly suggest you get one. The one I have, my mom gave me one because she had 2, and she said you can take this one, but I do want a mini one. You can order it on Amazon for $9.99, and it's so small and cute, and it's perfect for what you need it for. Or if you go to Tuesday Morning, they have it for $4.99. I've done this once, and I'm going to show you how it looks. This is how it came out. I was showing my friend Zuli how to make them. I never really made this. The first time I made it, and I showed her like I sent her a couple of clips on Instagram. So what I did was just fold it the width you think you might. You see what I'm saying? And then you're going to fold again. So you're going to basically accordion fold. And you're going to keep doing that as best as you can. Even. It's not going to be even, you guys, but we're going to keep doing this, and I'm going to fast forward. This looks like a little bit of a fail. let's just check it out. I started small, then I ended up getting bigger and bigger. So let's just see how this looks. You see what I'm saying? All right, let's just see how it looks. Oh, wait. You see? This might not work. Okay. All right, whatever. We're going to make it work. Okay, so I'm going to take my little scallop piece there and add a little bit of hot glue in the center like we've been doing. This one's not going to come out like the other ones, but I think the more you do it, the better you get at it. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to add a little bit more. Now, this one doesn't want to work today. Come on. I'm going to add a little bit of glue right there so I can place this on top so I can hold it in place. As you can see the difference in width, I'm pretty sure the more you practice with these, the better you'll get at it. But I do recommend getting a scoreboard. You don't need the big one like mine. I just got it free from my Mama Dukes. So, yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This video is super long. I'm going to have fun editing it. And let me know if you have any questions or anything like that. Any more process or tutorial videos you guys would like for me to bring to you. Let me know. Give me a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll check you guys on the next one. Bye.